How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. It has finally stopped raining. It's been going at it for the last few days. So it's been very difficult to vlog. It's been impossible to film something. It's cold, it's wet. So then Jason was like skating and I was like, should I vlog it? And he was like, no one's gonna care. And I'm like, cool, let's do it. I just came here to pick up Dawn because she just finished getting her nails done by her friend Ashley, and I'm trying to park to pick her up, but this building has like the security in this building is like, it's more strict than a jail, and I'm parked illegally. You didn't drive down, did you?
I did.
So where's your car?
Over there in the parking lot.
Oh, so we're just gonna leave it for now?
I guess so. Oh my god, my drive here was the worst. I'm kind of happy I don't have to drive right now.
It's a horrible night to go skating. We're gonna go play ice hockey, and I think we just missed it because like we're just late. So maybe there might be still skating. Oh, that's okay.
It's like a bunch of kids and then Jason. Is it just you two?
Hi, we're just gonna get skates. Thank you.
Hi there.
I'm just putting up skates.
Hey, no worries.
One final stop. Oh. Alright, it's just pouring rain, so we're gonna go to Jason's house now. Trying to put this together for you guys.
I'm excited about both.
Limo service.
Thank you. Oh, no. It's wet. Not everybody is wearing socks.
I'm wearing the exact same socks as you.
Okay, I'll take that one. You can take this one if you want. And we'll race home.
Okay, we'll do the window. We fix this. Here, I'll get it nice and wet for you, then you can have it.
So overall, that was a fun night. The skating was a lot of fun. My elbow's hurting. I fell. I was trying to film Jason and do like this like slow motion thing where like I got really low to the ice. But then as soon as I got low to the ice, I like, the skate, I don't know, I tripped. And I hit the ice and I didn't want to break my camera, so like I kind of used my elbow to protect myself, and I was so fucking low. Oh, that hurt. And then I tripped. Got the camera. I was trying to film Jason, and I had the camera like right in front of me, and I was trying to go really low. As soon as I bust the camera out, I tripped, and I fucking wipe out. But it was fun. Hopefully you guys had a good time watching the vlog. You guys keep our vlog out of life. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week for another vlog.
Tonight I'm gonna have myself